You can guess which one of the top ones are.
Yeah.
Yes, CBS, exactly right. No, it's Tesla was obviously a huge name, has been a huge name. We will have 2-hour conversations with a super high net worth person about Tesla.
Yeah. Well, he's a big asset manager in, I think they're Scottish, Bailey Gifford.
Mhm.
They were a top 5 shareholder in Tesla the whole way up. They were so early to it. They owned a ton of it. They took a huge risk in their allocation and it paid off. So they get it.
Yeah.
It's just, I'm curious about that because it doesn't seem like they have as much buy-in into the stock market systematically amongst households. If you have money in Europe, it's probably land.
Yeah.
It's not equity. It's not a founder culture per se, although they do now have some homegrown growth companies and tech companies. I've heard that the founder of LVMH is seen as a villain in a lot of Europe. Like they don't celebrate him the way that they would if he had done that here. So it feels like there's a cultural reason why they don't own stocks to the extent that we do.
Well, here's a great counter to that. As we'll talk about Tesla on the show. I had my handyman in the house the other day, and he was asking me,
Is he European? You have a European handyman?
"What would you do with $50,000?" And I'm like, "What are you looking for?" He said, "Income." So I said, "All right, well, the 10-year, the risk-free rate is yielding 4.2%. So anything above that is going to take some risk." He's like, 4.2%.